Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So Zizo Wireless was kind enough to send over some cases, and I've actually been using this one here for about 24, maybe 36 hours, I guess, and this has definitely become my favorite. This is the Flux series right here, and it is a very nice, rugged, slim case. It's kind of a heavier, a thicker case for it to be a single layer. Really nice. Tons of grip on the sides here, which is why I fell in love with this one, because it's very thin. It's got like kind of a see-through a little bit. All the cutouts and ports and everything are there. The sides are rubbery. Let me put this one back on here, and you can see how it looks once again. All the ports and everything line up. Camera cutout's nice. Microphone, headphone jack, volume rocker and power button are covered. Very tactile. Feedback is good to go. So it's nice. Now they both come, you know that Zizo Wireless gives you tempered glasses. So even though this is kind of an ultra thin rugged case, you still get a tempered glass. They have the full setup in here. So that is nice. Now it is a black front, so if you put this on, it'll change. If you put it on the T-Mobile variant, which is what I have, it'll change the front to black. But you know, at least they give you a tempered glass. So let's take a look now at the Bolt series, which is their famous, probably the top selling series that they have. And this one is nice. Now, I did use this one, but I just kind of preferred this one for the size. Again, you get the belt clip with this one. You get the belt clip, and you get the rugged style case. You get the lanyard in here as well. And again, you get a tempered glass, a full cover tempered glass, full kit. I think that's really nice that they do that. So we'll try this one on real quick. It's not a bulky case. It's just that this one has so much grip and it's thin. I figured why not. This one does. Now I do have a tempered glass on here already, which I'm not going to use those either. But this is definitely a more rugged case, and it has the famous kickstand, which is what we all love about the Bolt series. This is still one of my favorites. Now that I got it back on here, this is just one of my favorites. This is a bigger phone, so it's gonna have, you know, a bigger footprint with this case on it. But power button, volume rocker, everything is good. Nice sloping design back here for the fingerprint reader and the camera cutout. All ports and everything are gonna line up just fine on here. So there's a quick video on the new Zizo Wireless cases for the Moto E5 Plus or the Moto E5 Supra. Same phone, different name. That's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.